But yeah. Take two. Welcome for the nasty Blue Bike and Doors channel now. You watching Dickin around in the shed. We still dicking around with the PO S10. And I don't know, nobody's got it yet. But we're gonna keep working. I got the seats back in. And I'll run that intro before I go on off the road. There she is. He is. She is. She is. It's PO's. Her ST. His ST. I don't know. Yeah. Well, one wheel PO didn't do too good. I mean, it'll lock sometimes and sometimes it won't. It's that limited slip deal. But I got out of it. I fed her the onions. And it's when she's dirty. Dirty girl. See? I did order some tires. I didn't order tires. I checked on some tires. So $85 a tire for 60. She kept going, let me see if I can find you something. It's like that, you know. I don't know if I get 60,000 miles out of them. Maybe. I don't know. Probably not. How many burnouts would that be? Because that's what she's good at. One wheel peel. So what I was thinking is I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna have to lose some weight. That's it. I can slide it forward so my belly be up against the wheel. I can raise this up, so I mean, it's not a bad company. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just, you know, this is it. If I go all the way down, yeah, you know. Gotta get that, we call it the Detroit lean. The gangster lean, as Black Ice calls it. Roll it on in with that gangster lean. I don't think I can pull off gangster. I'm more of a, I don't know. Yeah. It's getting colder. They figure out why the brake lights, probably because it ain't got no ground back there. Yep. I don't feel like I'm doing wire. Let's get the rest of the interior pieces in. I can figure out where they go. And how I'm going to put them on there. Who that is? That's the interior pieces. Some of them like this piece. I think that goes under the dash. That I'm not going to put back in, maybe. I don't know. I think that's where that goes. I mean, ain't nobody going to see it. This is on the other side, under the dash, maybe. These goes on the seat trim. I guess I could put them on. That's the full bar running, but I need to trim that carpet up just a little bit. Another kick panel for this side. So yeah. I think I know where everything goes. I thought I cut you off and cut you back on. I had to go take a 10-100. It's better than a 10-200. Let me show you what I was doing here. Why I had said I had to trim it. Because that carpet lays over farther. And see them holes right there? These things got these in it. And lucky all the clips right here stayed on that side. So I know where it goes. And maybe I should put, because you got little holes right here, right there, little studs. These goes in that holes there. So I guess I need to put, it's a jigsaw puzzle that you got to figure out. Here's the kick panel that goes right there. So let's get it in because it got to go in next before I put the trim piece that locks in the carpet. Yep, it's getting windy. It's I was gonna tell you what it was, what it is, what it was, what it is now. Temperature is 46 degrees and dropping. It's not going to get no warmer. I think the high tomorrow is 30 something. I mean, look how pretty it is. If that wind wasn't blowing, it's pretty, it'd be nice. But, yeah. Got it. And, I'm whew, out of breath. I got put on 10 pounds when I went to the doctor this week. My yearly checkup deal. Said I put on 10 pounds. I said, well, good. Had a good Thanksgiving and Easter over the holidays. This side goes on this side? I don't know. All right. Where's the other one at? Oh. It's the same deal. Huh. Looks like it. Looks just like that. Huh? That goes down. I put it like this. It's not. It's a right there. It needs to be painted. I didn't paint that one. Why didn't I paint that one? Oh, I have problems. I always got problems. I got problems. When I made this, I miscalculated something. I need a there's a plastic stud that goes right here that goes in the hole of the dash, and I'm blocking it right there. One little screw up. That's me. I'm one little screw up. You wasn't even watching, was you? I was making jokes and all like that, and I was trying to figure out how come this goes up and down. When that's like all the other ones are sideways. Oh, turn it around. Where's this one go? I got one there, one there. I think there's one on those, two on the other side. And I was talking about you blow on your crotch, the crotch vent. Go to the other side. I can't believe. Like sometimes I think I got an air leak because, and then other time look, it's staying up. I don't understand it because I hadn't messed with the air since I got here. No. All right, this goes on the ground. It goes right here. Got it. That goes there. Oh. How did I come up with an extra vent? Somewhere. This goes. Oh. I don't know. That didn't get painted. Uh-oh. Not real good. I'm overachiever. I'm overachiever. I stuck it through. Give me the dent. Dang it. Helps. I guess it's gotta go a certain way. I should have a door right there or something. A little cover. I don't know. Huh. Ain't nothing else in that. Oh, that might go. No, that goes here. For your defrost when you side vents. I mean, windows, that goes there. I got another one of them. Yes, I do. That goes on the other side. All right. Then I got one extra vent. I should have a cover. A little cover. It goes right here. Huh. I didn't take this thing apart. Well, not all of it. I took some of it. Hey, I found a 10mm. Sucker thought he was going to hide from me, but I found them. So I put them up with my other 10mm. I got 110, there's a 10, 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 here's a 10, there's a 10, everywhere, 10, 10 here.
Get the most with the lizard. Straight terror, right up to your eyebrows. She cut your baby, got the body in your measure.
Well, deep subject. Hey, hope you enjoyed that little putting the interior back together. I know I seen that piece. It should be somewhere around here. It'll show up when I ain't looking for it. Thought I put it in the toolbox. So I said, I knew I need that piece. I don't need to lose it. I don't know. Anyway, I'll get on eBay, the Evil Bay, and see if I can't find a little trim piece. What am I doing? Check out that video there. Oh, and that one there. Hit that subscribe button. I might make it 2,000 one day. Nobody watches my videos. Laters.